Welcome back to the channel. How's everybody doing? Hope y'all had a lovely weekend. What I got here? This, ladies and gentlemen, is I think this is 2014 Chrysler Town and Country minivan. All right, listen, man. The problem she having is, see this. My feet is on the brake. She can't go into gear. Now, what she told me on the drive is she have to turn it off and turn it back on to go into gear. So even then, the way I figured out how to get it into gear is my feet is on the brake, by the way. I don't know if y'all can see that. So I'm gonna turn the car off, turn the ignition only on, put my foot on the brake. Still won't do it. Okay, turn the key off, turn the key on, feet on the brake. There you go. Now, I am in neutral. I'm not sure if that's an override or anything for emergencies, but I'm going to read into that. But that was how I was able to get it into gear and get it in the shop. With the normal route, you're supposed to be able to simply start the car up, put your feet on the brake, and go into gear. That's not happening. That is a safety feature, ladies and gentlemen. I think every car manufacturer utilized that safety mechanism. I mean, you shouldn't really want to go into gear without your foot being on the brake anyway. So that makes perfectly good sense. So obviously, this system is not working properly as designed. Now, the feed or the signal that goes to the shifter naturally comes from the brake pedal. The brake pedal. Okay, there's mostly all cars utilize a brake switch. That is a switch around near your brake pedal that tells any device needing that information that the driver's foot is on the brake pedal. Okay, that is needed for things like this, for brake lights, for a host of things. So if that is not working properly, that will cause this problem. Okay, now also because the brake switch is on the bus, the network, it's likely that I have a fault code. So what I'm gonna do is go to my computer and check and see if there's any code, because you have to have that signal in order. Like now, I'm on the brake, I can't go into gear. So you have to have that brake switch signal in order for your brake interlock system to work. All right, let's go to the computer, man, see if I got any fault codes. I'm almost certainly I do, but let's go find out. All right, ladies and gentlemen, I'm at my computer. Now, it's kind of noisy in here, but as you can see, yep, that's what I thought. There's a fault code in the PCM and the ABS. The PCM brake switch 1 performance, brake pedal, switch signal invalid. So basically, we have a problem with the brake switch. All right, so what I'm gonna do is diagnose that brake switch and eventually end up replacing it. All right, so but I'm gonna diagnose it first. Always diagnose it, never just, don't get in the habit of just replacing.